Recording this.
It's too complicated, Mr. Thompson.
I am going to record this and then I'm going to put it up in our Shobi class. So, whoops, I just burped. You guys, that's terrible. That will be in the video. That's not correct. You have to get rid of all the multiplication signs. Any questions here? Okay, we got this.
5B.
We got 5 B's.
Oh, I know. 5B plus. I know. B. 3 plus.
Yes,
2B.
because we are multiplying this group, right? Make sense?
No.
Well, you're multiplying B times B times B, so that's the same thing as what?
As B3.
Yes.
Oh, someone knows.
B cubed, actually.
Plus 2B.
It is not, this is not that. That is incorrect. Okay? It is B3. Now we have B3 and we have plus B plus B. So how do we write that, Stefan? Oh, yes, Stefan is on.
Oh my God. Stefan.
Fire! Let's have a look at this. We have 2 times D times D times D minus 3 times D times D. Stefan, the first, no, I already picked on you. Leif, the first group here.
That would be 2 plus.
Okay? 2 times D3 is the same as this, but 2 times, because of this little multiplication sign, is not simple. It is not condensed, right? So we got to get rid of that.
What if it?
So it's just 2d to the power of 3, which is the same as that. Now we have this subtractions. You see that? We're subtracting a different group. If it was 2 plus d times d times d, neither, what would it be?
This one.
Yeah.
It's like 2 plus d times 3.
It would be that. It would be 2 plus d to the power of 3. But because of this, because we're multiplying everything, it's just 2d to the power of 3. Now we have this negative sign, right? So we got to put that here. Okay? Okay? That is 3d squared, because it's 3 times d times d. Does everybody understand this?
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah? Okay. Let's say that d is 4. Yeah? So let's say that d is 4. So now we have 4 and 4. Correct? How much is this? You guys follow that? All makes sense so far? If we wrote this, though, and I'll write it in red, if we wrote it like this, now what would we have? If d is 4, this would equal, I'll put an arrow sign, 3 plus 4 times 4. What is that worth? So this is proof that we have to write it correctly. And okay, this is correct because we basically have 7 times t to the power of 4. Oh, wait, we did this wrong. There's one tiny mistake. I did it. What is the mistake? It is not plus. It's times. Right? 7. If there's nothing, I'm going to do a little scribble here. If there's nothing here, it means you're multiplying.
Yeah, I said plus.
Yeah, you said plus. So it's 7 times t times t times t times t. Any questions?
No.
All right, now let's look at this one.
No.
Wait, I
3
know.
times b times 3 times b times.
That is correct.
What?
Because this is, you see the parentheses right here? That's a group. That means this 3 means there's 3 of those. Just like the 4 here means there's 4 t's, correct? The 3 means there's 3 b's. So there's 1, and we're multiplying all of them together. So there's 1 group, 2 group, 3 group. That's all that means. You guys any? That's an example of powers. Okay. Very nice. Karen Takai. Very nice. That is, any questions here? Why is it an equation? It is. This is easy, so I'm only going to do 1. What is this? Is that, Stefan, an equation or an expression?
It's an expression.
It is an expression. I kind of like what you said. Say it again.
The actual exercise is the expression and the number.
Now, What? Yes. Yes.
When are we gonna do the test? Like next week?
Let's do
Monday.
it. Can I do it this Friday?
No, I can't do it Monday.
Monday.
No, this Friday. Can I do it this Friday?
You want to do it tomorrow?
What? No, I want to do it this Friday.
Yo,
I
we're doing
work
2
next
weeks
time.
time.
2 weeks time. 2 weeks time.
Can we do it?
You're a boarder, right?
Yeah, can I do it Thursday?
No, not Thursday, but we can do we need to do it.
Friday.
Well, we can do it Monday or we can do it Wednesday.
No, Wednesday I have a history.
Do you, right?
Yeah, same. I have
Okay, it's going to be Monday. It's small.
No,
That's why you guys need to study.
Okay, Wednesday.
Wait, it's Wednesday right now, so we have almost a week.
Okay, Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday. Bro, I have so much work to do.
Next Wednesday?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, next
Can I do
Wednesday.
this
Next
Friday?
Wednesday it is. So this has 5 terms, right? Now,
Due date.
what is the constant here? Anybody know? What is the constant? Is there a constant there? Is there a constant? Are they okay?
Yeah. I'm saying burger. I like
Is
burger.
there a constant here? Okay, come over here. I don't know if that's work. We'll see. Behind Stefan, okay?
I can see it.
Over there. Over there. All right. Is there a constant here? Anybody remember what a constant is?
No.
There's one constant. Take a guess what you think it is. What?
What is the meaning of constant?
Constant?
3GH.
Okay. Constant is 4. 4 is a constant. It is a constant because it has no variables. There's no letters. See?
Oh,
Nothing there. So it is just the number 4. What is the coefficient of h? What's the coefficient of h?
5.
The coefficient is the number in front of the letter. All right? What is the coefficient of g, Lath? What's the coefficient of g?
3.
G. What's the coefficient of g? Variables are GH or H or G. Okay?
I put like
Variables are, Lath, the letters. They are the letters. Variables, we do not want to know what they are. They are just the letters. All right?
5G plus.
you lost it.
One last thing, and then we're done with notes. You guys can start doing your work. Here there are 2 like terms. What is a like term? There are 2 like terms here. Do you know what they are?
Very similar ones.
5 has a G. 5 has no other like terms here. Got it? There's only one 5G. There's only one number with the variable h. There's only one constant. But there are 2 terms that are like. And we can combine those. Negative 12 plus 3 is what? So kind of like we did yesterday with our tiles, if you combine your like terms, we only have 2, you should have this expression. Okay? That's it for the review of your test. You will have this almost the same thing next week.